So that's what they're doing, working behind immigration behind the scenes. While you're focused on this, they're doing that. That's how government works, always screwing the people. I learned this about 15 years ago. Write it down. You'll never forget it. Write it down. You'll never forget what I'm going to tell you. Here it is. Whenever the two parties agree and there's no dissension between them, you can be sure of one thing. They're screwing the American taxpayer. That's all. That's all you can. Take that to the bank. Notice I didn't say the American people, because there is no single American people. There's 50% of the people who do nothing but suck off those of us who work. They don't count at all. Then there's about 50% of us who work and pay taxes. We call ourselves the American taxpayer. So, whenever the two parties are not fighting, it means they're screwing us, the American taxpayer. Obama seems to be offended by any kind of dissension. He seems to forget that it's a democracy of sorts, this republic, where there's supposed to be dissension and discord in order to arrive at a truth or a commonality. He doesn't like that, because he feels he knows everything and he is everything, and he's a be-all and end-all of everything, and he's the God of all knowledge. So to him, anyone who disagrees with him is a right-winger who, I guess, should be excommunicated. I wouldn't expect that. I could expect I wake up tomorrow or the next day and find out that Obama has outlawed the Tea Party and declared them criminals and have them arrested. And then, of course, the George Soros-funded so-called journalists, in other words, the Stalinist scribes, will say it's long overdue. We can't have extremists hijacking the American economy anymore with their idiocy to call for a belt tightening. No, they should be arrested. That's right. So we've had basically a coup. We're a step away from an actual coup in the country. Obama's building up to it. Anyway, I think I've said enough for the hour. I've made more friends in 1 hour than you could ever imagine. In 1 hour, I've made more friends on this program than you could ever imagine. In fact, I made more friends in this hour than you probably meet in the rest of your life. For the rest of your life, when you think about it.